sunrise from the blue horizon, the tranquil experience walking on the shores, mysteries of the ocean, mesmerizing underwater life and vibrant coral reefs never cease to interest us. United Nations declared the current decade as Ocean Decade, with emphasis on blue economy and ocean sustainability. Reef conservation is one of the high priority issues of United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 14, Life Below Water. Coral reefs are the rainforests of the sea. Though they cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, they support 25% of all marine life. They are one of the world's most valuable yet most threatened ecosystems. Coral reefs occur in more than 100 countries and territories, supporting the livelihoods of 1 billion people who depend on them. They are critical for the security of climate-vulnerable nations and providing ecosystem services valued at $9.9 trillion annually. Why reefs matter? The medicine cabinet. Reef organisms provide compounds used to treat cancer, HIV, and heart disease. Coral skeletons are even used for bone grafting. Coastal defense. Reefs absorb 97% of wave energy, preventing erosion and saving $94 billion in flood damages annually. Economic powerhouse. They support fisheries for 500 million people and generate $36 billion in tourism revenue. Ecosystem balance. Water filtration. Reef organisms like sponges and bivalves act as natural filters, scrubbing toxins and pollutants to keep ocean water clear. Carbon storage. Reefs play a role in carbon cycling, helping to regulate ocean acidity and mitigate some impacts of climate change. The crisis. The needs of modern world. Maritime transport, offshore drilling, overfishing, tourism, use of plastic, defense, desalinations plants, waste dump, and many other factors contributed to ocean pollution. Ocean temperatures are rising, bleaching the coral reefs, leaving coral skeletons behind. Plastic waste drifts through the water, and human activity damages coral structures that took centuries to form. This leaves the corals muted in color and marine life subdued in motion. Despite these challenges, there is hope. AI is being used to study and discover marine life, monitor patterns, and collect data to enable conservation efforts. Research has gained momentum. Artificial reef structures are used to restore reefs and help damaged coral ecosystems recover and allow marine life to return. The future of coral is not just shaped by nature, it needs our immediate intervention. Scientific research, global cooperation, community volunteering, government policies and funding can help ecosystems heal. Choices we make today matter. By protecting reefs, reducing pollution, and supporting conservation, we can ensure sustainable future for our oceans and reefs. Make the right choice. Join hands to volunteer. Clear skies, blue oceans, green land. Pass on these treasures to future generations.
Hello everyone, this is Rishikesh, joined by my brother, Rithesh. We are looking forward to present our project, titled Blue Horizon, for Track 4 of the AIYES competition. Our creative process began with prompt engineering. First, we created and improved our prompts using a trial and error basis. Then, we put those prompts into Luma's Dream Machine, which generated 5-second clips. We took all those 5-second clips and put them into Canva's timeline and added transitions and backgrounds for a smooth and seamless experience. Then, we created a script and polished it using ChatGPT. We then made an AI-generated voice for a smooth and immersive experience. What makes this project unique is its strong connection to the real world. Our inspiration came from witnessing damaged corals firsthand while scuba diving in the Andaman Sea. This makes our message real, personal, and powerful. This blends ecology, marine conservation, and sustainability. We created our script, narration, and visuals, all using AI tools. Our ethical framework follows responsible AI principles. All of our images and videos are non-copyrighted and entirely based on factual information. Our visuals are illustrative and not misleading. We understand that AI consumes a lot of energy. For example, a single AI query uses much more electricity than a normal web search. To reduce our carbon footprint, we batched our work and used cloud resources efficiently. Our project follows a simple principle of technology for nature. We use AI to support conservation, not to get rid of real-world action. If we can imagine it with AI, then we can work towards it in real life. Through this project, we learned that coral reefs are important to both human prosperity and environmental health. Our goal is to create a quick, crisp presentation for an immersive experience using AI. We pledge to spread environmental awareness and motivate people to protect marine life for future generations.
I would like to thank our track mentors, Saranjay and Sarvesh, for their support. I would also like to thank Mr. Pradvike of Skill Edu Varsities for his overall guidance and support. Our teachers at Veller International School for their encouragement. I would also like to thank Mr. Sangamesh of Reef Watch for inspiring us about coral reef restoration and marine conservation. Also, a really big thanks to AIYES for helping us with this platform.